Assalamualaikum. Class 3. We start unit number 1. Our topic is number. Write the number names. Our question is write the number names. ये आपको कह रहा है कि नंबर्स के नाम्स लिखें. नंबर दिए हुए हैं 684, 921 and C is 369 and D is 402. Here we write 684. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे 6 की स्पेलिंग 84 की स्पेलिंग. Okay, so how we write? SIX 6 HUNDRED 100. Okay, then 84 EIGHTY 4. Okay, here is 684. Now B is 921. First we write NINE 9 HUNDRED 100 and then 21 TWENTY 20 ONE. Okay, number C is 369 3THREE 3HUNDRED 169 SIX 6 TY 60 NINE 9. Okay, then 402 FOUR 400 HUNDRED 100 TWO2. Here we write 402. Okay, thank you.